Good morning everyone, welcome back to my vlog. My name is Kim and I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand. This morning I got up early, well early for me anyway, to get ready for a photo shoot at a Japanese themed cafe and garden. I believe that you can rent out a kimono or a yukata to wear for photos and videos there. The place is a little far, so it's like 20 minutes on a motorbike. I'm just about to leave. I just called my in-driver and I also just wanted to show you my makeup today. So I'm working with a new photographer, his name is Daniel, and he requested that I try and do Japanese style makeup to suit the theme. I'm not very good with hair or makeup, but you know, I tried. I feel like every time I try to do different makeup, I just end up looking the same. But I basically like wore more blush and put mascara on the bottom. So I don't know. Hopefully everything turns out well. I am here at the cafe. I believe it's called Nekoemon. And it looks like we have almost the entire thing to ourselves. It looks beautiful here, but I'm sure there's so much more to see. And yes, they do have a yukata rental. Wow, it's only 200 baht, what, like $7 US? I was pretty impressed with the variety of yukatas they had available to rent. They had all different styles, patterns and colours, as well as male, female and children's styles available. These are the two main contenders. So this one is a bit see-through and they don't provide anything to wear underneath. And then this one is more opaque. I'm about to change into my yukata, but I wanted to show you this new jumper I got because it's quite cold in Chiang Mai, so I thought I needed something a little bit warmer. And I'm wearing them with my new Air Maxes. This is the yukata that we went with. And yeah, I just need the belt and a few other accessories. Super pretty. The lovely lady at the store helped me tie the obi and we picked out this pink and blue bow to match. Super cute. They also provided the shoes, which were surprisingly not that hard to walk in. We're here at Nekoemon Cafe and we just ordered some food and drinks. And I am here with Daniel.
Hi. Hey, so I'm the photographer today. We'll be shooting with Kim. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm half Thai, Danish, but actually Czech, born in Poland. I live here in Thailand, so if you're ever in Thailand and want to shoot, just hit me over my Instagram or something like that. I do all kinds of stuff, portraits, automotive, whatever, and I'm here in Thailand permanently.
I just spent like 5 to 10 minutes trying to guess where Daniel's from because to me his accent sounded so British, but he's not from there at all. Oh, what did they put on it?
I think that's a cat.
It's like a Cheshire cat. What did you get? That color looks
It's like the Italian soda.
My matcha was absolutely delicious. It was thick, creamy and frothy, exactly how I like it. The sushi on the other hand, well, I definitely would not recommend it. I have yet to have good sushi in Chiang Mai, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Then Brenda joined us and we started the shoot.
Very professional. Kim looks very good with her umbrella.
I love wearing this.
Is this your outfit?
You can rent them.
Oh!
Little place at the front. It was only 200 baht to like
No way!
all of this.
Wow!
I know.
Look at this outfit. It's crazy. It's so good.
Well, this is such a cute place for couples to come because you can get a boy one and a girl one.
What does the boy one look like?
They're just like darker colours.
Oh,
They don't have the bow, I think.
Does he have the umbrella?
It's different. You can have an umbrella if you like, I guess.
Okay.
I loved this shoot because of the yukata and the beautiful gardens. However, I also found it very challenging because the yukata was very restrictive and I couldn't really move my legs. This meant I had to create very dynamic poses using only the top part of my body. We shot for 2 hours and ended up with almost 900 photos. I will be releasing my favourites on my other platform, so go and check it out. And that concludes today's vlog at Nekoemon Cafe, Chiang Mai. Hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.